Hello everyone, how are you? It's Michael. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to announce my first ever series. It's my 2023 Folio series, and this is Folio number 1. I've already made at least 5, if not more, of this folio using different paper collections from here in Brazil. So this is also my opportunity to share with the world some beautiful paper collections that I can get here. My idea is to have at least 4 folios. I was thinking 1 for each season, but I would like to maybe have at least 6, but we'll see where this goes. The idea is to have them all the same height, all the same width. Thickness might change depending on what I put inside the folio. But then at the end of the year, towards the end of the year, I'll construct a box so that we can house all of the folios in it together. Each of the folios will be a tutorial here on my YouTube channel with a link to a blog post with, a cutting guide and maybe photos. We'll see what happens. I will have these in both inches and centimeters because those are 2 sizes that are not inches and not polegadas. I'm talking in Portuguese here. Depending on where you are in the world, you use either inches or centimeters. So I would like to start off with the first collection. Before I show you the folio, I want to show you this amazing paper collection. All the collections that I've used, and there will be a different video for each paper collection, is by Arte Facil Artesanato. This is a Brazilian scrapbook paper company. They sell chipboard, they sell MDF, they sell stencils, they sell papers, they sell it all. And I've been using this brand for many years, and I love them. So I wanted to help get the word out, So this collection is called Chanel. This collection consists of 10 double-sided sheets, actually 11 if you count the cover sheet. They also have 2 sheets of stickers, but they're all in Portuguese, so I'll show them to you, but they don't normally work unless you speak the language. They are 180 gram paper, which is the same as a 65 pound. So the weight of these papers is the same as almost every other scrapbook company out there. There are some brands that are putting out some heavier weight scrapbook papers, and I love them. But this is a 65 pound weight, and it works perfectly. So let me take you quickly through the collection. So this is the cover sheet, and you could use all these different bands for belly bands or closures or something in the collection. Even here, this you could put something over this. So you flip it over, and it's this beautiful flower page. Then this is the first page. So you have the typical Chanel black and white stripes. You have roses. And then on this side are more roses. I can even see these being used for card making. So here, I love this because you can use just this part for, say, a card, or up here with just a sentiment, but this is just a basic black and white stripe. Even in an album, you can do it this way, and this way you have room to write something if you want to. And then the reverse side is the typical, oh my God, what is this, herringbone? I think it's called herringbone. Typical Chanel style here. Page 3 is this full page. And if you're a scrapbooker, this, or even a mini album, this could be cut apart here and you could slip something underneath this, but you'd have to be doing a pretty large album. And then on the reverse side, it's the same dots with the roses and the black coloring. Here is more roses and the stripes. The reverse side is this fleur-de-lis on this pink. I hope you can see this color. It's kind of late here. Then here, this is the 5th page, so you have flowers and the herringbone pattern. And then this is just the pattern. And it looks like this one, except this is small and this is a little bit larger. So you get 2 patterns there, which is kind of cool. This is great for scrapbooking, and this is actually great for card making because the pattern is smaller. This is page 6. So you got some fleur-de-lis, the flowers, the black, and then this side is just fleur-de-lis on the black. Here we got some more stripes and some flowers. And this is stripes, but in the pink color. This is page 8. And then this is the back of the first page. And I don't know if you could see it here, but it's got little designs inside the lighter stripe sections also. This is page 9. So you have some lace here. And then this side. I love this side because I'm always thinking to do an album and kind of cut in here and put a photo mat pull out. We'll see. I'm working on an album. I'm always working on an album. Okay, this is page 10. And a little, looks Russian. Was Chanel Russian? Okay, Coco, what were you doing in Russia? And then these are the 2 cut apart pages I've already used. 2 of the stickers, but these are just stickers, so they just peel off, put them on a piece of cardstock, but they are all in Portuguese. And these, you have some of the herringbone here and the fleur-de-lis here, but again, this, although not made specifically for these paper line, works perfectly with the paper line. Okay, so that is the Chanel collection. Now I just want to take you through here to the album. So it's pretty simple. I used the flowers on the front. On the back, I used this darker one. I do like to use a darker paper on the back of my books and folios if I can. There's 2 magnets here and a ribbon opening. So you just pull that up. Have the large herringbone here. And I used the smaller herringbone here, and on one of the photo mats. And then this opens up like that. So starting on the left side, I made a pocket here, and then I made 2 photo mats for 4x6 photos. But there's plenty of room in this pocket to add additional photos or additional photo mats. Here in the center, I have a waterfall feature. So I have 8 waterfall flaps. And I think this folio only uses 5 or 6 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. And then one more. And then I had room for one more photo mat down here. And this is closed with a magnet closure. On this side here, I made a little pocket. This is good for, I made 2 smaller photo mats, but we could do 4x6 in here. And again, there's plenty of room. And then opening up, I just left this alone because photos can be put here. Someone can write on this if they want to. But the idea with these folios, it's not an album. It's not, you're not looking to house 30 photos or 40 or 50. It's just a simple album to hold some photos for maybe a long weekend you took, or you went out for the day to the zoo or something, and you just use whatever papers you can to reflect what the photos are going to be inside the album, inside the folio. So that is folio number 1. When I have the tutorial up and running, I will come back and leave a link below to the tutorial. But if you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for a notification, when I upload those videos, you'll get a notification. So I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button, leave a comment. That would be great. Tell me what you think of the folio idea. Tell me what you think of these papers. I'd love to know what people outside of Brazil think of the Brazilian papers. And there will be at least 4 more videos like this, each with a different collection from the same company. Anyway, thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day.